This is what we use to drink the hiyu, the juice made from cassava. The cassava trash. Hiyu. Read that.
That's liquor, isn't
English.
Calabash we can't.
Calabash.
I don't know if that's English, dear.
That's when I heard about that one, that's liquor, huh?
Okay, this is the mask used by the Garinogu in order to, well, not actually the Garinogu, right? Because Jampuna is more a Caribbean dance, and it was done by slaves. And this is used in order to mock the white slave master. But the Garinogu people use the Jampuna in order to camouflage themselves, that the Europeans don't know if they were female or male. Right? So in order to conquer them. But Jambono is a Caribbean dance which was done by a slave, and the slaves done this when they get the free time. And they use this in order to mock their white slave masters.
Jampuno.
Yeah,
Wanarawa. In Garifuna is known as
Wanarawa.
Wanarawa. How do you say mask in Garifuna?
Igibu.
Igibu face.
Yeah.
Igibu. Igibu. So it's,
and the way some people make it, they made them, some of them have men features and some of them have female features.
So Igibu means face too, right?
Yeah.
So it's mask. Igibu.
Okay? And yati wafanidira.
Wafanidira.
Fanidira.
Fanidira.
Right? Fanidira.
Flag.
Flag. Yeah. So hafanidira garino.
La bandera Garifuna.
Alright, let me give you a quick, because this one I can explain, because this is the one I used to. So let me give you a quick rundown of this flag, right? What I was taught, right? I have given you the main part of it, which was the yellow, white, and black. I give you the meaning for that. Now the Ruguma, right? Like you know, it is important in the Garifuna culture because it is used in the processing of the cassava bread, which is our staple food. The two women carrying food baskets says that the Garifuna women were farmers. Then the man in the dory says that the Garifuna men were fishermen and hunters. This is a Fifa.
Fifa?
Yeah, pipe. Fifa. This is what our grandfather used for smoking tobacco. But some people use it to do different things now. We won't go there.
Fifa.
Oh, sorry. I know what they were going to. So I know Bible you Romani. Ugune. Guyera. Guyera Wagune. Right? Okay?
Ugune means boat and it means car.
Then the Guyara is door.
Guyara.
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 The dory.
It's a dory. How do you spell dory?
D-O-R-Y. I think it's that. No, D-O-R-E-Y.
D-Y. Dory.
Dory. Okay? Canoe. Canoe. E-Y. No, E-Y. E-Y. Okay, canoe. Okay? Then this one, lagi wadabu.
Wadabu.
Yummy.
Right? Conch shell. Lagi wadabu. Why I cannot give you no song because I might get blue.
You could sing the Watanege Kusu.
Well, the conch shell is very important also in the Garifuna culture because in those days, as both in the Garifuna and the Maya, the conch shell was very important because that was what they used to send messages. Even when I was in the Angriga, when my father comes from fishing and he goes to the market, for people to know that fish is at the market, they blow the conch shell. And that sounded all over that river.
Somebody want to try this?
I won't try it. I don't have word for it.
Watch your lips.
I can't do it.
That's what it sounds
Tangi Bugudura.
Bugudura.
Tangi Bugudura. Turtle shell.
Say it again.
Bugudura.
Bugudura.
Is there a song? Chili Bugudura? Is there a song?
Bugudura. Yeah, there's a song. So, Bro Cayetano. I mean,
Right?
Pen Cayetano. Bugudura.
And this is used as
It's not that bad.
musical instrument, right? Turtle shell, found by Pen Cayetano in the 1980. Actually 1979, 1980, they started with turtle shell and buckets on the streets of Dambrilla.
That's right.
Now, it's all over the world.
Punta Rock.
Okay, now we go into our sounds now. Oh, Badu. Ano yung Badu? Sorry.
Badu.
Badu.
Oh,
Yeah.
Cane.
Okay. Badu.
Say it again.
Badu.
Is it really?
Cane. Badu.
Mama Balu.
Badu. Mama Badu. Balu is bullet. Mama Balu. Badu. Badu.
Do you need an accent over the U?
Do we need an accent? Badu. Mama Peggy. Musulog Aba. Peggy. Badu. No. Piano.
Unless it's over here.
It's a two-syllable word, so no.
No. Badu.
The rule is, if it's a two-syllable word, the stress goes automatically on the first syllable. If it's more than two, then the stress goes on like Ruguma. So it's on the second. That's the general rule. Instead of Ruguma, Ruguma.
Right. Then the other implements, we have the Budari, which is used for the Kamal. Budari. I think that. Right. Then they have the.
What's Budari?
Yeah, that's the Kamal. Right. Then they have the broom that they use to sweep off the dust. Besawa. Besawa.
Besawa.
Besawa.
Say it again.
Besawa.
Besawa.
Sawa. Yeah, that's the broom. A brush. Yeah, for the cassava. That's what they use to brush off the remains of the dust from the cassava before they flip it. Then they have the flat stick, adhagule. Adhagule. It's a stick that they use to press the cassava. Right? Adhagule.
Aduhagule.
Adhagule. 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 Nagule.
And it's what?
That's how will we use that?
In English.
Flattener.
Aduhagule.
A flattener.
Flattener, okay.
Isn't it a press?
Double T?
A press? A press.
Okay. Separate. A prester.
A press. A press.
Adhagule. Right, that's what they use when, I don't know if to check the cassava, they use that to like press it. Then they have a hose on the base sweep it, and then they flip it over. And they also use after they.
What's her name?
I could do it wrong. I'm teaching. Okay. Any question? If I have the answer now, you get it out. I'm the homie.
Bless you.
Okay.
Now you're going to be tested.